Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to post on Pinterest. So let's get into it. First of all, start the Pinterest app. Tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Select Pin. Choose a photo or video that you want to upload. When selecting a photo, you can also opt to take a photo with the phone's camera or choose a website using the first two icons in the photo gallery. Then tap Next. Enter a title and description. Click Next. Choose which board you want to pin it to and publish. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.